Hello YouTube, Space Fury 65 here with a quick video on the unboxing and feature set of the new DR.ÖTEK MT6 Pro Pinpointer. I want to thank Alyssa for getting this factory released to me. I just want to be clear, this is not a prototype, an engineering or design sample, but pulled straight from the factory's production run. Inside the box, you will notice that you get a few things in here as well. One is a multi-language instruction manual. You'll get your lanyard. You'll get your holster, which can be attached to the belt. And lastly, you get the DR.ÖTEK MT6 Pro probe. This probe feels really, really nice. It feels very well made. Like other probes on the market, it features 360-degree detection as well as from the point itself. One thing that I noticed that it has that's really nice is that the battery compartment is dummy keyed. The batteries can only go in one way, and one way only. Also on the battery compartment, you'll notice that it has a rubber gasket. This rubber gasket is to keep it watertight. It is listed as IP68 compliant, therefore it is fully submersible underwater. I haven't tested this feature yet, but we will in a future video. When you turn the unit on, you'll notice that it'll boot. When you see the white caret will indicate that it's ready to detect. It has several modes of operation. In this state, she's in audio mode. You press the power button again, and she's in audio and vibrate, and in vibrate only. Another mode of operation is that when you press the secondary button, this is called ground balance. Pressing it will change the caret green, and that reduces EMI interference and also hot rocks so that you can find your targets in the hole a lot easier. One thing I've noticed about this mode is that when you're in this mode, you reduce your sensitivity. Pressing the button again will bring it back to normal operation. Another cool feature that this has that other probes don't have is that when you press the power button twice, you could turn the LED flashlight off. When you press it again, it turns it back on. The only problem with this, it's as needed. It's not retained in the session when you shut it off. So therefore, every time you need to do it, you have to keep turning it on and turning it off and go and so forth. Another feature that this has that a lot of other probes don't have is that she has an LED display. She shows you how close or how far a target is. So for us on land, this would not have really much use for us. This is pretty much for the water hunters that would be able to see a visual aid as well as in vibrate mode to help them find their targets underwater. Another thing that this is, she's only 10 kilohertz. I find that to be pretty much important, and I'll tell you why. I have a Simplex, and the Simplex she's a 12 kilohertz machine and affected by a lot of things. Now, the probe that I use creates like a halo effect, so I either have to put it into F1 or F3 mode to stop it from interfering, or just basically move the machine out of the way while I'm digging. This works perfectly well with the Simplex and with my son's Minelab Vanquish. Again, these are really good features to have. Another nice little thing is that it has a standard blade and the tip. So you can put the caps that they sell for the Garrett and others right at the end to protect your probe from any type of damage. It also protects the cutting blade as well. Now, according to Alyssa from DR.ÖTEK, she says that the release date on this probe is going to be April 25th with an MSRP of $49.99 on Amazon. She also said that DR.ÖTEK will have a pre-sale event where customers can follow the Facebook page at facebook.com/DR.ÖTEKOR and get a 30% discount coupon. Again, this is really well made. I'm going to do videos with it out in the field and test it all out. Don't forget to hit the like and please subscribe to my channel. I will be doing more reviews, treasure hunts, and bringing out classic detectors and more. Thank you for watching.